Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something simple but incredibly powerful in classrooms sketch notes. Not perfect drawings, not artistic masterpieces, just simple visuals mixed with words, arrows, symbols, and ideas. And honestly, I have seen sketch notes completely change the way students learn. You know what's interesting? Sometimes students hear information, but it disappears quickly. They copy notes, memorize definitions, finish worksheets, but the learning doesn't always stay. And I think one reason is this. Many students are receiving information without truly processing it. That's where sketch notes help. Because the moment students begin drawing ideas, they also begin thinking about those ideas differently. They start asking, what should I copy? And start asking, what does this actually mean? I once heard a student say, I used to think, but now I think. And honestly, that sentence captures deep learning beautifully. Sketch notes encourage reflection. They help students organize thoughts, connect ideas, and notice changes in their understanding. And another thing I love about sketch notes is they improve creativity without adding pressure. Students don't need to be good at art. A stick figure works, a quick symbol works, even a messy arrow works. The goal is not beauty, the goal is thinking. I have also noticed that sketch notes make learning feel more meaningful. Sometimes traditional notes feel distant and mechanical, but when students create their own visual connections, the content becomes personal. A child may remember a science concept because they drew it as a funny character. Another may remember a history lesson because they turned it into a visual timeline. The brain remembers experiences more easily than plain text. And honestly, sketch notes are powerful memory aids. Think about it. If I give students a full page of text, many will forget parts of it quickly. But if they combine words, icons, colors, symbols, and movement, their brain creates stronger learning connection. I have also seen sketch notes improve comprehension because drawing slowly thinking down. When students sketch an idea, they must process it carefully. They begin asking, what is important here? How are these ideas connected? What should I show visually? And those connections deepen understanding. And beautiful thing, sketch notes naturally build curiosity. When students create visual notes, they often start exploring beyond the lesson. They ask more questions, and their own examples make unexpected connections. And suddenly, learning becomes active instead of passive. I have also noticed how sketch notes help with the problem solving because many problems become easier once students can see their thinking. A diagram in math, a flowchart in science, a visual sequence in writing. These things reduce confusion. They help students untangle ideas that once felt overwhelming. And maybe my favorite part is this. Sketch notes make a classroom feel less fearful. Some students are afraid of writing long answers, but when they can first express ideas visually, their confidence grows. They begin participating more. They stop worrying so much about perfection. So no, sketch notes are not just decoration, they are thinking tools. They help students reflect, remember, organize, connect, and understand. And sometimes one small sketch notes can unlock more learning than entire page of copied notes. Because at the heart of learning, students don't need information. They always need ways to make sense of it. And sometimes a pencil, a few symbols, and a simple sketch can help ideas finally come alive. Thanks for listening. Bye bye. We'll be back with another podcast.